Hello everyone, Chris Anderson, Mount Comfort RV. Hope everybody's doing well. Now it's time to look at a beautiful Ventana. Getting up into the heavy iron now. So, what's new with Ventana? Well, first of all, there's two new floor plans. There is the 4328, which I'm getting ready to show you. And there's the 4068, which will be shown in a subsequent video. Without further ado, let's walk in. Look at this beautiful beast. Now, some of you may recognize this floor plan. This is a 4328. This is a Dutch Star floor plan that's been brought down to the Ventana line, which is very good because, number one, it's a great floor plan. Number two, we need more great floor plans in Ventana because the price on Dutch definitely went up. So it just got a life cycle change, and you definitely see that in the price tag. All right, so get a good look at the floor here. Gorgeous tiles. This was optioned in with theater seating. Okay, multiplex lighting. This is the Newport Glaze Maple, and new for this year. You can do that in high gloss on Ventana. That's awesome. What's that black screen doing there? That doesn't belong in a Ventana. All right. So across from the theater seating, we have a sofa that does fold into a bed, and we have a televator there. This particular coach is optioned in with the dishwasher. You can get it with 3 drawers instead. Of course, this is an all-electric coach. So you have the 2-burner electric cooktop and the 30-inch convection oven. I find the 4328 very similar in a lot of ways to the 4369, which everybody knows has always been my favorite floor plan. But this does offer some nice appeal in the way the kitchen jets out here. It's a lot of cabinet space, it's a lot of counter space, and it's just visually very, very appealing. Okay, we have the combination dinette buffet here with the computer station. Look at that. Full-size fridge, huge pantry. So, see, this could make a run at my 4369, I'm telling you. This there's a lot to talk about here. Pantry's even bigger than on a 4369. Okay. Then we come to the bedroom. King-size bed. 2 wardrobes here. 5 drawers down below. And then the bathroom is nothing to sneeze at. We have 2 sinks, just like the 4369. Better room around the toilet than most coaches. A huge shower. It's not quite as big as that 4369 shower, but it is a big shower. It really is. Of course, you have stackable washer dryer. And our rear closet with the safe back here. Good hanging space. Okay, as we turn around, we'll get a shot looking forward. Don't think we did the half bath. Let's stop there. Vessel sink, good storage below. All right, now let's talk about what's new here. Look at this guy. All right, so Newmar's brought this through the line from Baystar Sport through Dutch Star. This is the new KIB system that one touch of the screen there and I can see what's in my tanks. Let's focus that a little bit. Sorry guys, cell phone, not our professional camera. We can see what's in our tanks. We can control our basic lighting, turn our water pump off and on. Auto generator start is programmable through here. Our floor heat is controllable through here. HVAC, and then the master light, so you can do all the different lights throughout the coach, all on one screen. And best of all, there's an app for this, so you can do it all from your phone also. So that is what's new for Ventana. All right. Be sure to chime in, tell us what you think. Like and subscribe to our page if you like our videos. We'll be doing more detailed videos when we get these back at the dealership. But for now, we're just trying to give you a little taste of what's to come. Let's take a look at another Ventana. This is a 2023 model 4068. This is one of the new floor plans. Let's go see what's new. Obviously, we have a 40-footer with a tag axle. All right. Have a hide-to-bed sofa with the ottoman in front. Bath and a half floor plan. Something Newmar is really focusing on for 2023 is getting more booths, or more dinettes rather, not always a booth, but getting them on the door side of the coach, which that's your side with your big window. That's where you're going to be hanging out. That's where your awning is. So, this other side over here behind if you put the dinette here, that's great, but the window that's there, you're looking in on your neighbors at the campground. This is your side, which makes all the sense in the world to have the dinette on this side. So nice that Newmar is focusing on that this year. Above, they have, of course, the Bose stereo, or Bose soundbar, rather. And that's your receiver cabinet there for your satellite receiver. Nice kitchen with a pull-out. Now, this is the other thing they're focusing on this year. Look at this. We have a refrigerator with pantry on both sides. And what is going on back here? What in the world? This is what they call a beverage center. So we have a wine cooler down there. Wine glasses up here. Nice countertop space. Yeah, I could make that work. Optionally, you could put in a desk area here if you don't need the bar. But I mean, don't we all need the bar? Okay. Optioned in the dishwasher. So an all-electric coach. So you do have the induction cooktop under there. 30-inch convection microwave. All right, let's check out the half bath. High gloss cabinetry is new for Ventana. Speaking of new, look at our KIB touchscreen. Okay, if I want to know what's going on my coach, I just hit the home screen and looky here. We have all of our tank levels, battery levels, basic lighting. I can switch over here and I can do my auto generator start, turn my floor heat off and on, control my HVAC, and then I can get to all the lighting in the coach through here. The nice part about this is going to be in the Newmar lineup from Baystar Sport through Dutch Star. So all of the coaches use the same system. Obviously, the higher up the line we get, the more options you're going to have here. But it's nice because it's one system. It's super intuitive. You can download an app for your phone, and I think that's really going to be a huge plus for Newmar this year. All right. There's our 2 wardrobes with the television and 5 drawers. King size bed. This is a bath and a half coach, so we have toilet with the egress door. Stackable washer and dryer are in this closet. More wardrobe over here with a corner shower. As we come out of the bathroom and look forward, this is what the coach looks like. All right, thanks for joining me on the 4068 from Newmar. It is absolutely a great looking coach. Get a shot of the cab area up here. This one's on a Spartan chassis. It's available on Freightliner or Spartan, either one. All right. One final shot. Okay, so at the Newmar dealer meeting here for the 2023 model year, I'm trying to do videos on the coaches that are new models and stuff like that and have definitive new features in it. But since I'm standing over here, I thought let's just do some quick shots of two coaches they brought. A 3717 Ventana and a 3407 Ventana, neither of which are new floor plans, but we're here. It's kind of quiet in the booth right now. So try to get you some shots. These will be like a couple minutes on each, and just to give you a flavor, there's one of the new paint scheme, some of the new colors. Let's see as we go inside this 3717. So this one's done in very light colors, which isn't a bad idea, considering the lighter colors make things look bigger. So we did the two recliners here, and of course they are straight across from the sofa with the televator behind it. L-shaped kitchen. I have always liked this 3717 floor plan. It's never sold as well as I think it should. I like it better than the 3709, for instance, and the 3709 outsells it every single year, so I guess until I'm the guy writing the check, my opinion really doesn't matter. It's kind of like being at home. So, full-size refrigerator here. Kind of a double pantry deal here with the 3717. This opens up and reveals all those drawers. And even more storage. Okay. Come back here, you get a king bed and a 3717. Okay. Stackable washer dryer. There's a safe hiding back in the corner there. All right, as we turn and face forward, we'll hit the bathroom on the way out here. Okay, it's actually a very decent sized shower. I guess if there's a complaint, it's a little snug around the toilet, but it's not. I mean, I've seen so much worse. And still got a little countertop space here and some storage. There's our combination dinette. All right, so this is the 3717. Give you one final shot from front to back here. All right, let's go look at a 3407. See if I can manage to not fall out of the coach. All right, same paint scheme. And they parked them together here. I'm guessing that wasn't planned. All right, let's step right up. Now this one, they went with the darker wood. Again, high gloss being available for the first time in Ventana. So the 3407, we have a combination dinette with the televator behind it. Sofa bed with the ottomans over here. Polished porcelain tile floor throughout. This, just like the last one, is an electric coach. Stainless steel undermount sink, 30-inch convection microwave. Refrigerator and pantry here. Our bathroom is here, very similar. In fact, I think it's the same bathroom for all points purposes as the last coach we looked at, the 3717. And then we come back here, we do have a king bed. Stackable washer dryer wardrobe here. As we turn around to give you the shot from the back to the front. All Ventanas, all Newmars from Baystar on up through Dutch Star have the new KIV system. So touchscreen, beautiful, easy to use, and you can download an app for it. All right, let's get a shot of the cab area here. Spartan chassis available on Freightliner as well. And one final shot from front to back. All right, thanks for watching.